They said it was too late. Lazarus was gone. Lord, if you had been here, my brother would not have died.
Your brother will rise again.
I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me will live, even though he dies.
Take away the stone. Lord.
It has been 4 days.
Father, I thank you that you have heard me. Lazarus, come out!
He is alive!
Lazarus lives.
My brother, you live again! Truly, the Lord has shown his glory. This is the power of God.